Take this.
Yes, master.
Greeting, Master Chen.
Greetings. Please come. Take care of them.
How are you, Mr. Wong? I'm fine.
This is a girl's thing. It has no substance.
You should not speak like that. This Wing Chun style created by Master NG Movie is mixture of both power and flexibility. It's pleasure to see these fine classes in this area of China with disciple you have, Master Chen.
Thank you. I've heard that your business is going well. Let me pay your rent before I forget about that.
No need to hurry, Master. We are good friends.
You did a big favor to us by taking such a low rent.
There is another way to return the favor. Ip Man,
Yes, Dad.
this is my youngest son. Ip Man, my own flesh and blood. Tenchi,
Dad.
he is my adopted son who has been with us for a year now. Tenchi. The purpose of my trip here today is to get them a superb master.
A superb master?
Yes, they both have passion in learning Kung Fu.
Accept this tea. Thank you, Master.
Take this. You two must follow the guiding principles to become the member of this school. Martial arts and proper discreet is compulsory.
We understood, Master.
Didn't you say that you have loved Kung Fu, man? Now you both got have a good place to learn and a good master. Now, can I leave?
Dad, take good care of yourself.
Tenchi, make sure you look after your little brother.
Dad, I will, I promise.
Dad,
Master, your medicines.
Keep it there.
Okay.
Keep in mind, all hand movements are clearly directed by the intention in mind. If your intention is justified, you are on the right track.
Master, the medicine is getting cold.
You have shown improvement. Remember, the noble mind commands authentic style movements, which allows stability in your defense. Wing Chun is to follow one's shadow, not his hands. Focus on what you feel rather than what you see. Understood?
yes, Master.
Maintain world peace. Establish the Greater East Asia Co-Prosperity Sphere. You are the hope of our empire. You are the hope of our empire. Japan's future rests with you.
Tingji, wake up. Are you having a bad dream?
What was I saying?
Are you hungry? In fact, I am hungry too. There is nothing to eat at all.
Don't hide. To huge that's coming out to find something to eat? If Master finds out, you'll be dead right now.
No, not him. It's my mistake.
No, it's my mistake.
No, it's my mistake.
Shh. Hey, don't be loud. Since you gave me a toffee today, so I will bring some food for you. Here, have it.
Why do fried double sticks only come in pairs? It would be nice if there were 3 pieces.
Master, take this. I have just now made it. You always forget, Master. The medicine won't be effective if it's reheated.
You're right. You are dedicated and dutiful. I'll be happy to see you inherit this school. And Mon is gifted in martial arts. Give him the best training after I'm gone.
Yes.
Now go and take care of them.
Bring the coffin here. Slowly. Slowly.
This is my promise and my oath to Master. Till the time I am alive, I will make sure that Wing Chun style will deliver to many people and I will take it to another level. 1, 2, 3, 4. Palms up. Strike. Withdraw. Reach out. Strike. 1, 2, 3, 4. Palms up. Strike. Palms up. Strike it. Withdraw. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. Strike up. Withdraw. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Strike it. Okay. All right, students. That's enough for today. We'll meet tomorrow. Everyone take care of yourself.
Class is over. Now stop it. It's enough.
You were good today. Mon, wait. You two also.
Come on, Mon. It's time to eat. Let's go.
Come on, I'll come with you.
Okay. Stop it, Mon. Food is ready.
Yes, I'm coming.
Tinchi, see how lucky we are. A leather puppet show is open just across the street.
No, we're not lucky. We got this place because it was carefully planned.
Oh, that's great.
I saved this specially for you, Mon.
Thank you, but I've had 6 bowls already. I'm so full.
Why are you still eating then? Go take a walk to help your digestion.
Tinchi, can I take a break for some time? I just want to wander around.
Fine, go.
Even I will go. You take care of the stall. And also of me, Van.
Alright, I'll stay. You guys go and have a good time. See us later.
Come, let's
on.
go.
Come on.
Let's go.
Let's
Please
come
wait
with us.
for me.
Come
Amma's
on.
coming.
Meme, wait. Where are you going? If you go away, who is going to cook the dumplings? When they come back, I will accompany you, alright?
No, let it be.
Chinese can also play foreigners' games. If foreigners are capable of learning Chinese culture, then we can also take up Western culture too. We should definitely do that, right?
Hey, let's go there. Come on, let's go. They're showing some magic. Come, let's go.
Hey,
Let's see
we will
that.
be right back.
Yes, we'll come.
You surely know what good stuff is. This is the biggest invention of this century. The gramophone. It can contain your most beautiful voice and you can listen it.
Amazing. Which song is this, sir?
This is an English folk song. The story is that King Henry wrote it for a girl who rejected his love.
Really? That's amazing. The girl had a character.
Oh my god, what you have done? You scratched my record. How I am going to sell it?
I didn't mean to do it. Well, I'll pay for it. How about
This
that?
is very expensive. Do you have that much money?
Listen, I will buy it from you.
But the record is scratched. The song won't play smoothly.
Didn't I say I would pay for it? Is this enough?
May I know your name, miss? I'll definitely pay you back.
Don't worry about it. Thank you so much. Oh, sister!
We don't have a gramophone at home. Why did you buy the record for?
I was not buying a record. I was buying a filling.
Oh. Hey, girl. Can't you see? You hurt me. Come on. Give us some money.
But I don't have anything.
I don't care. You have to pay me 50 silver dollars, okay?
But it's true, I don't have anything.
No money? Take this.
How dare you to hit her? Tricking people.
What? Get back. It's a personal matter. Don't poke your nose.
I clearly saw what happened. The bamboo spinner fell on the ground. It didn't hit you at all.
How dare you to meddle with me, okay?
I am warning you. If you don't stop right now, I will call the police.
I will
Listen, I will teach you a lesson. I won't spare you today.
To hell with you! Hold it.
I won't repeat this. I swear.
Get lost from here.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Thanks for such great help. It's much appreciated.
Your act of chivalry is greatly admired.
To pay you back, can I know your name?
Don't worry about it.
I will tell you, ma'am. He is Ip Man. And I am Sui Shen. And we are for Wing Chun martial arts. You may call us 3 Wing Chun mosquitoes.
Sister! Here, take your record. You're not hurt, right? Are you okay?
No. Thank you, friends.
Yeah. Come on.
May I help you? I'm looking for Ip Man. Ip Man? But he's not here. But if you want to say something, you can say that to me. Thank you. But I have told that I have to give this letter to him only. Okay, it's up to you. You can wait if you want. But be careful of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes? Oh my god! Wait! Yes? I will hand this letter to you only. Please give this letter to IP Man when he returns. Sure, why not? Thank you. Uncle Ip,
Maybe.
give me these things. Mon is here. Hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
What have you brought?
This is sister's new toy. Oh, it's heavy.
Why he is taking so long time to reply?
He didn't answer to you?
Tell me honestly. Did you deliver it to him only?
Yes, sister, I gave it to him.
Are you sure?
Absolutely. Keep these medicines. If you don't feel well, just have one of them, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Mon, take care of yourself in Hong Kong, okay?
Yeah. I'll be back soon.
Wait, Mon. Remember not to waste any time in Hong Kong. Make sure that you will focus on your studies. And don't forget to practice martial arts. And do not forget our master's advice. Don't get involved in fights. Don't think you're better than others.
Don't you worry. I will always remember your word. I'll be discreet and rational.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, son. Go home and keep practicing. Raj?
Excuse me, is Ip Man at home?
No, he's gone to Hong Kong. Is there anything important?
It's nothing important. Thank you so much.
Hurry up, I am hungry.
Good morning.
Morning.
I have made fried sticks.
Oh. These fried sticks looks very interesting.
I thought of doing something different today, so I made 3 sticks in one. Come on, let's eat.
Hey, come on. Sit with me. Come here.
Why are you guys spitting?
It's not
You want to know why? Come on.
It's my turn.
Now you got it.
Let me help you.
No, it's okay.
Ah, there you are. I was looking for you.
Chairman Lee, sir.
But why?
Because of your hard work and dedication, Miwai, I have got present for you. Take it.
This is so beautiful. Thank you.
Tinchi, you have given tremendous help ever since you joined the Jinghu Athletic Association. Anyway, I have a present for you too.
Thank you, Chairman Lee.
I should thank you. These were selected from the My Jade collection. Hope you like it.
They seem like a pair.
Definitely. It's like the same. A pair like you do.
Pass, come on, pass it to him. Whoa, come on. Boy, face up. Come on, hit it. Score the goal. Yay! Nice one. Very nice. Come on. One more, we need one more.
Oh, I've never seen Chinese jokers playing hockey ever. That is unbelievable.
Hey, mister, mind your language.
Oh, did you hear me? And did I say anything wrong?
I heard you say us Chinese jokers.
Oh, no. I didn't call the Chinese jokers. I called the East Asian people feeble.
Alright, come on then.
You have only 3 minutes.
No, 2 minutes are enough.
No. Only one.
Oh, wow. Now let's see what's going to be happening.
Oh.
Come on. Yes, you can do it. Come on. Very good. Keep going.
Friend, you just have 45 seconds.
Hey, don't be afraid. It's alright. Come on, have a seat. Nothing will happen. Everything will be fine.
What style was that?
We call it Wing Chun.
friend is wonderful. What's his name?
His name is Ip Man. Hey Ip Man, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Say good morning to Ip Man.
Good morning.
Good morning. Have I met them before?
Ip Man. Good morning.
Do they know me from my name? Uncle, actually, I need.
Come on, don't call me uncle. I am just a manager over here.
I need some medicines for my friend.
Yes, of course. I know that you need a medicine. That's why you are here.
Which is better to treat bruises, powder or ointment?
So your friend is hurt. Did he have a fight? Of course. Of course he had a fight. Tell me who did it.
Actually, I did.
But he is your friend.
That's how we became friends.
Oh, a fight in the first meeting.
Actually, I was a bit harsh on him.
Now take care of him and bring here.
Will you be able to treat him?
No, I'll treat him with my punches and kicks. So that rascal stop calling us Chinese jokers.
But how did you know this?
From them who were watching hockey match. Now everybody knows you and your name, Ip Man. Now you are very famous. You are learning Wing Chun, right?
Authentic Wing Chun. Our master used to practice that.
So you are one of the disciples of Master Chang.
Correct.
Forget about fake Wing Chun. Wong Li used to teach real Wing Chun. How long have you been learning it? Finished the lower body strength training yet? And what about targeting from the finger?
Oh, you also know about Wing Chun, uncle?
Look, I have already told you I'm just a manager here. Nothing else, got it? And second thing, I know Wing Chun, but I don't know if it's real or not. Do you want to try it?
Some other day.
I'll be too busy. You can try it now.
Oh, better not. You might get injured, sir.
Hey, you think I am too old? I am not old, bruh. Come on.
Mr. Manager.
Hasn't your master taught you that when practicing with the others, you reserve only the strength applied? Come on, kid. Surprise me.
Okay, let me show you then.
Are you alright, kid? Is it hurting?
I'm fine.
Well, then come again. Let's start it. Watch my medicine, kid. Be careful with the three-prick wine, man.
Wait a minute. You call this Wing Chun?
Whatever comes from my fist is Wing Chun.
This is not Wing Chun. My master used to say Wing Chun strategic movements are 70% from the hands, 30% legs. This can't be Wing Chun.
Your master was not wrong. The traditional focus is on the use of the hands. But there can be changes. Changes allow more flexibility, and you have to adapt multiple ways. That creates new technology, and we become better fighter, and finally a good martial artist.
May I please know your name, sir?
I'm Long Big from Fushan. I used to learn in the same school where you are learning. My father was the master, the famous master Lung Jan.
That means you're my senior.
I hope you are not hurt too much my fake Wing Chun.
Don't worry about it, sir.
It's alright, kid. Come back the day after.
But why?
Don't you want to learn Wing Chun?
Oh, yes, of course I do. But I can't afford to pay you. I'm just here to study.
Oh, did I ask you to pay anything?
Customs inspection. Open all the crates. Officers, do it fast. This too.
Hang on. These are all licensed medicines purchased from the Japanese Chamber of Commerce. And take a look. This is the evidence.
Don't you understand what Mr. Kitano said? This paper belongs to the British Embassy. And whatever was happening here is legal.
Don't show it to me. These are all fake documents.
Know your limits. How come a customs officer like you dare to insult Japanese goods? Who's your senior?
This is your last mistake. Mr. Kitano has influence with big people. Once he gets to know, you will be in big trouble.
I got news that smuggling is going on here. Officers, open the crates.
Wait, Mr. Kitano said you can't open this.
I'm telling you to stop. Be in your limits.
What do you think you are doing? Don't you know who this gentleman is? Do you know how much he donates to Foshan every year? Mr. Kitano, my apology. You may take the goods. What are you staring at? Clear the way! Of course, I welcome donations. But if they are from the Japanese, I will definitely decline.
What is your problem?
Japanese show evil intention. After the Russo-Japanese War, they took over our territory and built the Manchurian Railway, aiming at economic invasion. Look at what they had did in the northeast. Their ambition are obvious.
I can understand your problem.
I agree with you. But the Japanese Chamber of Commerce in Foshan did not participate in the northeastern affair.
I know.
Mr. Kitano came here only to do business. There is no other intention in his mind. So I would suggest that we should treat his donation the same way as others.
I don't believe that Japanese would make a donation without a personal agenda.
Mr. Kitano is doing business in Foshan for a long time. This could probably be his gesture of returning a favor. So we should be grateful.
Tenchi, you are young and intelligent. Why don't you tell us what you think? What's your opinion?
I tend to agree with what Chairman Lee suggested. After all, our association is on very sound financial ground and is not urgently in need of donations.
Tinchi, I'm going back to school.
Okay. Good night, Mayor.
You and the chairman shouldn't have been this stubborn.
Mr. Mayor, we are all educated people. Why should we allow uneducated to upset us? Goodbye.
Goodbye.
The improved version of Wing Chun is the good use of distant fist, near elbow, close wrestling, incorporating long and short distance movements. Wing Chun wrestling uses the reverse joint principle. No need to hold on to your opponent. Your master concentrated on the long stretch and low kick. My improved version of Wing Chun incorporates the short stretch and high kick. Wing Chun should not be described as authentic or non-authentic anymore. That's not a matter of discussion at all. Wing Chun is one big family for me. There is no distinction between you, me, and other Wing Chun fighters. Goodbye, man.
Goodbye, Reverend. See you.
My blessings will always with you.
Thank you so much, sir. Goodbye.
Take care of yourself.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Bye-bye, man.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Take this.
Hey, Ip Man, we had no clue you were coming. Hey guys, Ip Man is here.
Hey, hi, man.
This is mine,
How are
but
you?
rest of it is yours.
Good to see you.
I'm good.
What
How
a
are you?
pleasant surprise.
This is for you.
For me? Thank you. But these are so many toffees. Thank you.
Don't
Happy
eat
to
all of
see
them. Keep some for your brother also.
Mon,
Oh, you're back so early.
you came back very early.
It's
I
so
really
good to
like
see you.
You're still stout, keeping up with martial arts practice.
Do you want to try me?
Yeah, why not?
Come on, give him space. Come on. Go back.
Go back.
First point. What a move.
Very nice. Wow. Some good moves. Whoa. Wow. Very nice.
Wow, Ip Man, that was wonderful.
Very impressive.
Hey, what style is this?
Amazing.
Oh, what's the
Wing
style?
Chun.
There is no high kick in Wing Chun. Where did you pick this up?
Why don't you find it?
Okay.
One point for Minchi.
Well done, Ip Man. Wow, okay.
Mon, don't tell me this is Wing Chun.
Please tell me, how did you do it?
Just
No,
come on,
first
just
me.
Yes,
Teach
yes.
me
One at a
first.
time. Yes, I'll be teaching you guys.
Wait. Wait. Mon, she might have gotten hurt.
No, I'm absolutely fine. Let's do it again.
Oh, come on. Now it's our turn to learn with Ip Man.
Okay, so me against you both, huh? Let's do it. Are you alright? This focuses on reverse joint principle. In this principle, there is no need to hold on to your opponent.
Now you have to teach us all these moves. Yes! Come on. Let's go to Master. Come.
So let me help you.
Oh, there's chicken for dinner. The food is going to be tasty.
Sir, how are you?
Mon, remember what Master Chen said to you? You all can go home now.
Come, let's go. Okay. Yeah. Let's meet later. Bye.
Now tell me, whose Wing Chun style is authentic? Our master or Longwick?
Longwick? Longwing and Master were both from the same school, so we shouldn't question the authenticity. Also, he's the son of Grandmaster Luing Jiang, and he's been practicing since he was a child.
But he never got along with the Grandmaster, nor with his brothers and family members. He was arrogant.
It might be possible they are having different views.
Okay, understood. But he shouldn't have created tension in the family. I remember after the Grandmaster passed away, Longbeck has tortured his brother so much that, and he also break the relation and treated others with the same way. Mon, you can see how badly he was received by the others.
He's a bit strange, but we can't assume that his art is not competent. People often thought that Wing Chun seldom uses wrestling moves, but he believes that by applying the targeted finger style or darting hand movements, opponents can be overpowered. Comparing Bix with the traditional moves allows more flexibility.
Let me tell you that Wing Chun is not the real Wing Chun, and his fake style. And let me tell you, most of his movements are made up.
How can one improve without deconstructing the old?
This was totally not expected from you. And if you learn fake Wing Chun style, then you will end up gaining nothing. Good night.
Please, sir. Please keep calm. Mon is just giving his opinion. Give him one more chance.
Fine. I am giving him chance right now. Show me the style of deviance that you have picked up. Get up! Get up!
So, please. Brother, why are they fighting? Please, Brother Chanso, please.
Wait.
John
Stop
Vickers
it.
taught you this.
What have you done?
Master, what did you do?
He's badly hurt.
What have you done?
What are you doing?
What kind of style was this? Does our school have high kick like that or elbow as low as this? No, right? Now, I demand you all go on your knees in front of our master and vow that you will never again learn anything that deviates from our school tradition.
No, sir. They have nothing to do with this. It was I who wanted to try things differently. It was my idea. So I'll be the one who deserves the punishment.
Ip Man, I have taught you everything. My best wishes are with you.
Thank you, Master.
Don't call me master, that is not right.
But why?
Your master is Chang. You should always respect your elders. When I was as young as you are, I would never listen to my elders, and they were never happy with my new styles. And because of that, there were a lot of problems in my house. My family was too much upset with me. Just to avoid conflict, I decided to leave Foshan.
Master, you were right that Ip Man is gifted. But he's such an ungrateful brat. Do you think that I should expel him? Please, give me instruction that what should I do? If you think I should, please show the head when I toss the coin. I have full faith on this coin. Master, Ip Man is young and restless. He's doomed to make some mistakes. Perhaps it's not entirely his fault. I might not be competent enough as an instructor. Why don't we do it 3 times to decide on the results? Thanks, Master. Thank you very, very much, Master.
You people are.
We heard that your association has a reputation for the vision of promoting martial arts. So we are here to join the association.
I'm glad that you share the same vision and want to learn martial arts from us.
But before we enroll, I would like to see whether the school is qualified to teach us or not.
What do you mean?
You need to show a sample when you sell goods. We would like to check out how competent our masters.
What rubbish! This is not how our association operates. It would be better if you leave.
Alright then. If you don't want to demonstrate, we'll be happy to take over.
Okay, if you think so, then let's do it. Hold it!
Wait a minute.
Father.
Mr. Kitano.
So, this girl is with you. Tell me, what do you want from us?
Nothing much. Just dropped in to say a hello to you.
You can say hello without picking a fight. What is the need of this?
This is not a place to learn martial arts. I will show you what you are actually.
Chairman Lee, allow me. Wait!
Nice, good show.
Very nice.
My daughter isn't capable enough.
Tenchi, you did a fantastic job.
Ip Man, come have some food.
Coming. Oh, triple fried sticks.
It's my special recipe.
But I won't be able to finish all of this fried sticks.
No, this is not only for you. This is going to divide in 3 of us. So you guys have this and I will have this one.
I distinctly remember that the triple stick is what you wanted when you were a kid.
But now I'm grown up.
Oh, is that so?
I was innocent at that time.
I wish you were just like before. Good night.
Miwei! Wait, Miwei!
Did I say something wrong?
Let it be. Let's eat.
Oh yes, I forgot to congratulate you.
Huh? On what?
On your successful career in business, young and hopeful. What's more is you are going to become vice chairman. A bright future lies ahead of you.
Stop teasing me. I owe this to Brother Changso's leadership. What's your plan for graduation?
Look, I won't keep it from you, but don't laugh, alright? I want to start a martial arts school. And I want to promote Wing Chun style.
What a wonderful idea! If you start in Foshan, I'll come up with the capital for you.
And not just in Foshan. I want it all over the world. I want to show the world how wonderful Wing Chun is.
All over the world? That's great. Congratulations to you, International Master of Wing Chun.
Thank you.
Also, don't just open a school. Make a movie about it to promote Wing Chun all over the world. You get it?
You give the money, I'll do the hard
Good.
work.
What about profit? Let's say 30-70?
No, 50-50.
40-60. Definitely.
Alright, the food is getting cold. Yes, it's
Okay,
a done deal.
Come on.
Of course, the deal is done, yeah.
Sister?
Yes? What is it?
Min Chao is here and he wants to ask you out for a film and Dad has agreed to it.
Is it so?
Yes.
Did he say what is the name of the film?
Do you really want to go? What about Ip Man? Your love?
What love are you talking about? I have waited so long for him. Now I feel Ip Man and I are not connected.
Do you really think so?
I really don't know. I have started thinking so. What else can I do?
Oh look, a horror film. I don't think you're a fan of horrors. Let's go away from here.
No, I want to see the film.
Okay, then I'll go get the ticket.
Please, come. This is your seat.
Thank you.
Please enjoy.
Ip Man?
Oh, how are you, Miss Justice?
Aren't you the daughter of the deputy major? Hello.
Hello. I never thought we will meet like this.
Oh yes, what a small world.
Mon, Miss Chung had come looking for you.
Oh really, is that true?
I think film is about to start.
You don't fear the real ghosts but are afraid of the fake ones. I thought you were fearless.
Of course I'm fearless. What is happening now?
Now the ghost is moving towards the female and he's about to bite her. He's still biting.
Is the biting over?
No, he's still biting. Watch. Alright, you might watch it now.
Are you sure?
Yes, for sure.
Yeah, the film had
It
a
was
lot
a
of
fantastic
violence,
movie.
but I liked the film.
Yeah,
Movie was really
wonderful.
scary.
Nice
Are you alright?
action and drama.
Miss Chung,
Very
come,
nice.
I'll show you around.
I have seen such a good
let's
movie after a long
Not
time.
now, Mr. Cho. Next
Come
time. Bye.
I want 3.
Why are you eating this?
Thanks for taking me to the film. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Bye. What are you buying?
Miss Chung, your language is very good.
Thank you so much.
My brother also likes learning new languages. Perhaps you two can become very good friends.
And what about us?
Tomorrow will be our master's birthday. We'll go buy a chicken.
Okay, Mave. We are going now. Anyways, we are not interested in your language, okay?
Let's go. You were wanting to tell me something.
There is no need now.
But why? I want you to tell me something.
What?
I have not got your name yet.
Didn't you address me as Miss Justice? I like it.
No, I want to call you by your own name.
My name is Ching Wing Shing.
When you're thinking about a person whose name is unknown, it's like listening to a song without knowing the lyrics. It feels like humming the song.
You speak very well, huh? When we like someone, even if we don't know his name, we can see that person in our eyes, as if they are in front of us.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, careful. Are you hurt? Are you fine?
It's not nice to me. Beat it up.
All right. Now you see. 1, 2.
So slow. Speed it up. Show some anger. Come on. Anger. Anger. Come on. More.
It is quite tough to concentrate now.
Look at you, Ip Man. You have spent so many years, no? Now I can understand. Being around this log all day long, you have grown to be log-like, right?
then how can I be more expressive?
You can exercise your thoughts. For instance, think of something you like or somebody you want to be with.
Well, so I'll be sticking your name here. Chang Wenxing.
You want to beat me up every day?
No. It will remind me of you every day.
Ip Man, it's almost lunchtime.
I'll be eating with her out today.
Come over here, Wings.
Yes?
I have something to tell you. You can go.
Yes, sir.
What do you want to tell me, Dad?
You did not behave well with Mr. Chow.
Daddy, I didn't do like that. Didn't I go with him to watch film?
Yes, you was. But after that, you have gone with him for outing.
If you hate him, then why do you support this group?
I support them because my job requires it.
Our friendship is not based on a job. It's not fair.
Not fair? I am your father. Why won't you listen to me? I am just worried that you make friends who are a bad influence. I won't let that happen. Do you understand? If you care for your family, then forget him.
This is for you.
Thank you for this. This will remind me of you.
I'm afraid that we may not see each other ever.
But why? I'm here to see Deputy Mayor.
Please come in. Please come. You can sit here.
Now we have reached some conclusion.
I hope to see you soon, Mr. Zhang.
See you soon.
It is a pleasure meeting you.
Same here. Please come.
By the way, where can I purchase bone china?
He wants to find out where he can purchase some Chinese bones.
Okay.
We British will like bone china a lot.
He's saying that British have developed a taste for Chinese bones.
Take them to the slaughterhouse.
Good quality bones are only available in slaughterhouse, okay?
You mean a killing house?
Yeah, kill. Every day, chickens, goat, killing every day. Okay.
Sir, they want some bone china.
Stupid, they want bone china.
I was just kidding. In fact, he will take you where the best bone china is available. I'm really sorry, sir.
Thank you for doing the favor for me. Goodbye.
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 Your brain is very sharp, young man. What is your name?
My name is Ip Man, sir.
So you are here for meeting Wing Chen?
No, I'm here to pay a special visit to you, sir.
Why?
Sister, do you know what happened?
What
Ip
happened?
Man has come to meet father.
If man is here?
Yes, I just saw he was talking to her father. Let's go. Come with me.
Let me help you.
No thanks.
May, let's go for a movie tonight, yeah?
Who else is coming?
Zushan and Yucha don't want to go because they don't like dramas.
Ip Man is not coming.
No, he has some other plans.
Let me think, okay?
Don't think for too long. The movie will be off soon. Okay?
Okay, I will come. Go and get the tickets.
Actually, I already have got 2 tickets. Too bad I couldn't get your favorite toffee. But I have your favorite chocolates.
Greetings. This gift is from Mr. Chen.
Thank you, Yu Chao. Listen.
Yes?
Take this presents to the main hall, okay?
Sure.
This
Come
way,
this way.
please. Thank you.
Mon, see this.
This is for you.
Oh, thank you.
Carpet, lay it out properly. Hey, listen. Move the left lantern more to the left.
Okay, sir.
Move the right lantern more to the right.
See, my writing is good.
Yes.
Tinchi, Ip Man, put these couplet at entrance. Got it?
Hey, I'll get the rice paste.
All right.
Be back soon.
You should be told me
Sure.
before.
Come.
Come, I will show you.
Mr. Tinchi,
Yes, how can I help you?
my father has sent you a beautiful gift. Take it from Kitano family. Happy wedding day. You know it very well what to do with it.
Thank you all for coming on this auspicious day. Thank you all. Cheers. Yes. For this beautiful night.
Cheers.
Cheers. Sit. Everyone
Thank
sit
you,
down.
thank you.
Please take a seat.
What will you
Please,
have?
take a
Sir,
seat.
please sit here.
Thank you.
Please.
How I am happy today. Tinchi got the wife and I got daughter.
I am very happy too. To me, Meiwei is like a daughter, while Tinchi is also my son. Now they both are born in marriage life, and I have got a complete family. I am very happy now.
And after some days, we will also heard good news from them. I will become grandfather.
And soon we will have to attend one more marriage because it will be Ip Man's turn.
What do you think, Mon?
Tinchi, I want to congratulate for marriage.
And hearty
Thanks.
congratulations for your promotion as well.
Cheers.
Come on, let's celebrate together.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
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 Always be happy.
my son.
Thank you, Dad. Huh? Yeah.
Cheers.
To my woman.
Thank you. And this is for you.
Give me. Let's have one more.
Sure.
Open the door.
You at this time?
Oh, he's drunk.
Stay here tonight, Ip Man.
Yes.
You go to sleep. Go.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I'm all right. Come on, let's fill our glasses again.
It's getting late, sir.
So what?
Careful.
The night is still young. Tinchi said your martial arts skill is superb. Come on, show me your skill.
Next time, sir.
Now, why next time? Let's do it tonight.
Sir, it's getting late.
Let's not start late then.
Sir!
I'm alright, you just go from here.
Sir,
Okay,
please.
sir.
Come, seat, sir.
Thank you.
Brace yourself.
Look, he's coming.
He's here.
Kyung, Ape Man, good that you came.
he's arrived.
But where's Tinchi?
It was his wedding last night. I'll tell him later.
Come inside. This way.
What happened?
I can't imagine the honorable and respected president end up with such a tragic death. This should not be done. We must locate the murderer. The president cannot die in vain. Go check out the rooms. Have you reported to the police? Come on, do it fast.
Go, call the police.
Yes, sir.
Where is Tinchi?
He's inside.
Tinchi! Tinchi! Tinchi, come with me.
But what happened?
You stay here. You come with me right now.
What's the matter?
I never expected this from you.
What do you mean?
Chairman Lee, he treated you like a son. Why did you do that?
What have I done? Are you out of your mind?
Stop acting innocent. I know what you have done.
I have no clue what you're talking about.
You strangled President Lee by using your left hand.
President Lee's dead?
But I won't let him die in vain.
Mons, stop it! I don't understand why you two are fighting.
Your godfather was killed, and he's the one who is responsible. Look in his eyes.
Just because you strangled with the left hand, you're accusing me of murder. I didn't even know this move. You taught me this move. You can also be the killer.
The Japanese are the ones who want to get rid of their opponents. They had sent gifts in your wedding. Surely you must have helped them.
I do business with them. It's no surprise that the Japanese would send me presents.
All right, then swear that you have nothing to do with President Lee's murder.
All right. I, Tinchi, swear.
Tinchi, the police have come to see you.
Ip Man, have you called the police?
Mr. Tinchi, we are here to take Ape Man to the police station
Why are you taking my brother away?
because he's suspected of President Lee's murder. Lee's servant witnesses a fight and heated argument between Ape Man and Lee last night. That's why we came.
The president was quite drunk, and my brother just escorted him home.
What about the fight servant witness? What do you want to say? What are you looking at? Arrest him.
No, you can't take him away.
You can't do this.
I can do so. And the one that comes in between will also be arrested.
I'll go with them. I don't have any fear because I'm innocent.
Come on.
Tinchi, remember you swore an oath.
Inspector, if you don't have enough evidence to press charges on him, you have to release him.
Deputy Mayor, Ip Man has been charged with felony. We need more time to investigate.
He is innocent. You can't lock him up.
See, madam, we go by evidence only. We don't bring charges against innocent citizens. They are witness in this case. Ip Man is the main culprit. If he is innocent, why won't he try to defend himself? You keep saying Ip Man is innocent. Do you have any evidence? If you don't have any evidence, he will stay here.
Tenchi is the new president of Jingwu Athletic Association.
Nice. Congratulations. Well done. Well done. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Mr. Kitana will donate 300,000 to the association and will send his students here to exchange knowledge. Any objections?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
You can live now.
What? How come?
Let's get out of here first. At 10:30 p.m., the night of the murder, I was alone. Ip Man came to my place. We stayed up so long and chatted. He was so drunk, so spent the night in my room, full night.
Miss Chung, are you telling the truth? Were you really with Ip Man on the night of the murder? Are you telling the truth? Your testimony is critical to the case. If you are making the things up, you could also be arrested.
I swear I'm telling the truth.
However, I don't believe on you. I need more supporting evidence that shows the clear picture.
More supporting evidence? Is my daughter's chastity not enough to prove his innocence? What do you want?
This case will go to the High Court. High Court will do the justice.
Daddy, please wait. Please don't get angry. I had no choice but to make up such a lie. Daddy, I'm so sorry.
You sacrificed your reputation. For what, my daughter? Just to rescue a kung fu guy? Huh.
You have to marry my sister.
Wingxing, please forgive me. I'm not worth it.
Worth it or not, it's only me to decide. And you don't need to marry me to return the favor.
Wingxing, that's not what I mean. I want to marry you just because I love you. I'll take you as my wife with an official ceremony and a grand wedding.
Mei Wei! Mei Wei, you can't die.
I know everything now. You have killed my godfather. Are you working for the Japanese, Tinchi? How can you betray your own people?
It's not as simple as you think. It's hard to explain, Mei Wei. Please, don't leave me. Don't. Mei Wei, just listen to me. I beg you. Mei Wei, just listen, please. Please, let me explain. Please.
Just let me go.
Don't say that. You are going to be a mother soon.
You have killed my godfather. Surrender yourself to the police.
I can't do that. I will lose you. Listen. We should go somewhere where we belong. Okay? Where's the letter? Someone was here. Tell me, who came here?
Nobody came here.
I have seen the teacup. Tell me, who was it?
That I can't say. I know you're working on the wrong path.
This is a trap. Please try to understand me. Please.
Where are you heading? I have done so much for your career advancement. Dad even made Ip Man the culprit for your crime. And you back out because of this woman?
I've done what you told me to. Every single thing. What more do you want from me?
Finish off Jiangsu. He has come to know that you have been working for us, and hence he also has to die like all of them. This needs to be done on urgent basis. You need to finish him off tonight.
No. I do not want to kill anymore.
This is not an option!
Catch us!
Don't hurt her.
I promise you, Tinchi, I'll let go of your wife. Both of you shall be free, but only after killing Jiangsu.
But he's more stronger than me.
Don't be afraid. I'm with you.
Tinchi! Come out! Tinchi! Tinchi, come out! We don't spare traitors in the Wing Chun martial arts school! He is no longer your senior. Find him and get him out of here right now!
Master, I beg your forgiveness. I have failed as a leader. Who did this?
Vinci, you traitor!
You would become so damn selfish I never knew.
Be careful.
Yes.
Kill him!
Get out from here. I beat you up not in revenge or being framed, but to defend chairman and school's reputation.
Why did you betray us? You were one of us.
I'm not a traitor! I am a Japanese sergeant. Believe me. I always wanted to be a spy since I was a child. That's why I left my parents. I miss my country and I want to go home. But I didn't even have the money to do it. My mom was dying, and yet I couldn't even see her last. How could you know what I went through? I couldn't even see my mother's grave. And I may never see her again. That's my destiny. That is what's written in my fate. I am a soldier, and I am very proud of that fact. A soldier does not apologize. But for defaming the school, I humbly apologize to you. It is a point of great respect that this family considered me their own. I got a brother like you. And maybe I got her love. And now she's my wife.
Where is Mei?
Hey, come on, move the box.
Come on. Hurry up, hurry up.
Wing Chun is to follow one's shadow, not his hands. Focus on what you feel rather than what you see. Understood?
Are you alright?
Where is Tinchi? I made a mistake. I wasn't able to keep his son.
Captain, these crates just arrived. They are all Kitanos.
See, I don't give a damn whose is it. Open it right now.
Okay.
Where am I? Who are you? I want to go home.
Get all the kids out. There is one over here also.
Yes, sir.
Give these kids water.
Yes, sir.
Every one of you will be fine.
Daddy, come on. There's a guy fainted there.
Take these kids carefully. When I felt I'm going to die, Ip Man he arrived in a hurry with a long rod in hand, beating the hell out of the Japanese with the authentic Wing Chun 6:30 rod style. He was so fast that I thought this fight will end soon. However, his rod was slashed into two halves by your Uncle Teen's Japanese sword. Yet Tinchi didn't let go. He pressed so even harder, and he was also expert in karate and judo. Ip Man's life was in danger.
Okay. And after that, what did my dad do?
He used all of his training style. He immediately used the two half rods like a pair of ring-shaped swords and brandished them frantically. And apart from that, he mixed him some unknown styles. And because of these, he won. Even if we don't consider his unknown style, but still from our style it is totally different. And that is why that day he saved my life. And from then now, I stopped differentiating old and new style. My eyes were opened and saw a broader horizon.
But why Uncle Tinchi and Dad fought? Please tell me.
My child, that is a whole different story.
Why did you stop practicing?
Dad!
Come on, get back to practice. How many times will you keep telling the same story?
Let's go!
The thing is, every time it's a new story to them and we get to learn from it.
You're right. Children should know about their past. No one will get food until the practice is over.
Dinner is ready. Stop the training. Come and get everybody. Come fast, come fast.
But Mom, Dad says I have to practice well before I can eat.
What is more important, martial arts or delicious food, huh?
Food!
Alright, children, take a good rest. Practice more after you eat.